Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix iOS apps crashing. There are many reasons why your iPhone apps may be crashing. Because of this, there is no one size fits all solution for fixing crashing iPhone apps. However, with a bit of troubleshooting, you'll be able to get back to your favorite apps and games no time. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So, without any further ado, let's get started. So, first step to take when your iPhone apps keep crashing is to reboot your iPhone. It's easy to do, just hold down your iPhone power button until the slide to power off prompt appears. And then slide the red power icon from left to the right to turn off your iPhone. Wait 20 seconds or so until your phone has shut all the way off, and then turn your iPhone back on by holding the power button. And the second step, you have to update your apps. Updating your iPhone apps to the latest version is simple and only takes a few minutes. First, you have to open your App Store. After that, tap on your account icon in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Scroll down to find a list of your apps with updates available, but mine is already updated, so there's nothing, but it's okay. You can follow this step. If only one or two of your apps keep crashing, your next step is to reinstall the problematic iPhone apps. In short, this requires you to delete and re-download the crashing apps from the App Store. To delete an app, find its icon on the home screen or app library. Press and hold the app icon until the menu appears. Tap Delete App. After that, tap Delete to uninstall the app on your iPhone. And the last step, another possible reason why your iPhone apps keep crashing is that your iPhone software may be out of date. To update your iPhone, you have to open your settings and then tap General. After that, tap Software Update and then tap Download and install if an iOS update is available. But if no update is available, you'll see a messaging that says your software is up to date. So guys, just a tutorial from me. Hope you like it, and thanks for watching. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.